darling. Welcome to the Castro. I'm Gaybraham Lincoln here. Queens of the Castro, people of San Francisco, it's time for us to wake up and smell the popcorn. It is time to renovate our old glory, the Castro Theatre. Are you kidding me? We want it to be fabulous. We want it to be open. Do you want the Castro to be like Mission Street, strewn with closed theaters? I don't think so. Look at all these businesses up and down the street that are closed. Look at that. You know what we need? We need foot traffic. We need more people. We need young people coming to the Castro. We need them to come to the renovated Castro Theatre with, oh my God, heating. With, oh my God, new seats. Oh my God, with a fabulous raked orchestra that can be for concerts or drag shows or LGBTQ film festivals. Yes, the Gay and Lesbian Film Festival will always be at the Castro. Stop worrying about it. Let's renovate the Castro Theatre. Gaybraham Lincoln tells you so. Smell the popcorn.